one of the items for my order was out of stock, which has never happened, and one product came damaged, which has also never happened with me. So in this video, I'll let you guys know how you can deal with these situations and get your money back. Before discussing the problems that I faced, I want to show you guys what things I got for myself this time. The first is this storage box. It came exactly as it was shown in the picture, and the best part of this storage box is that this is a drawer. So you can put the things that you daily use here and you don't have to worry about getting them lost or something like that. And there's enough space here to keep your all makeup or skincare related products. I'm about to organize my stuff and I'll show you guys how this thing looks with all my things in it. Now the second thing is a makeup bag. You can see this huge size. Well, you have to put all of your makeup here and then close it in like this. So it's like a potla or joli, and then there you close it. So the best thing about this is that the material is waterproof, so you can open it in your washroom or anywhere you're getting ready. And another reason why I picked this up is that when you open it up, all your makeup products are right in front of you. You do not need to hunt them from the bottom of the bag. You can see all your makeup, and I think that's really helpful when you're in a hurry. You just pick up the items you need and use them. And look at the print. How cute is it? It is the pink unicorn one. You get a lot of options there. Check it out for yourself. Next, I got this nail art organizer box. Well, I won't be using it for nail art decorations. I'll be using it for storing my earrings, small earrings, so that I can see all of them and they're more organized. So there's 7 into 4, 28 cells, and it's really worth the price. Again, I'll arrange all my stuff and show you the final product. Next thing that I got is a very interesting product, the Flawless Facial Hair Remover. Well, I will make an entire video doing the review of this because I know many of you will be interested to know whether this works or not. So I'll leave it that for another video. Now coming to the problems I faced. Well, first of all, one of the product was out of stock. So I received a refund of it without doing anything from my own side. They refunded it in my balance, as you can see. Now comes the part when I received the damaged product. So when I opened my order, I was shocked to see the state of this box. But since it's not a very sturdy material, it can break on the way it's being shipped from so far. So the first thing I did when I saw this, I took photographs of it. I went into my orders, then went into the return option and selected this one, attached my pictures, added a comment that received damaged product, kindly refund, and placed the request. Within minutes, I got the refund back, as you can see. So I didn't face any problem for getting my money back, and this balance is withdrawable. You can withdraw it to your bank, Paytm, anywhere you like. So if you have also faced this situation, the first thing is respond at that same time. Don't delay. First of all, there's just 9 days guarantee. If you're not raising your return or refund request within 9 days, anyway you won't get any of your money back. And the best thing is, if you attach pictures, take pictures that supports your statement. That will get you a stronger case and will grab their attention so that they respond to your query as soon as they can. So that's my little haul from Club Factory and my solution to some of the problems that you might also face. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe. See you guys soon again. Take care. Bye.